Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya. Lokhulumako uMfortune wakwaSibanyoni. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nomzalwane Totisho ligama lakhe.
Ngiyanibingelela bazalwane emakhaya. Ligama lami Harris Sibonga Ngatheleti. Namuhla sethu sithola sifundo.
Sihloko sesifundo sethu namuhla sikhuluma a succession of kingdoms. Ngemva kokuthi singene into kwesifundo sethu, singagoma amakhanda uma sicela umzalwane asivulele ngemthandazo.
Singathandaza. Baba wethu wasezulwini, dalo lezulu nemhlaba. Sibonga lithamba Nkosi nomusa wakho losipha wona Nkosi, ukuthi namuhla sivulela ivi lakho. Lento sifundisa Nkosi ukuthi yini kahle kahle injongo yakho kithi Nkosi. Nkosi sicela ukuthi lesifundo lesifuna ukusifunda ngesikhathi sanyalo wangazi ukuthi wona ungasivulela Nkosi. Ukuthi yonke imvo lesitoyifunza sibonakale Nkosi sivisisa iphindze sishintshe Nkosi etimpilweni tethu. Nkosi banathi ube nababukeli emakhaya ngaye mfelo wethu Jesu Kristu lophilako kuze kube phakade. Amen.
Amen. Lesihloko sithi sona kulandzelelana kwemibuso. Because namhla sobe sifunza ngemibuso lengenako, ephumako njalo njalo. Ilivesi lethu lokuvela litholakala lapha ku Daniel 8 verse 26. And the vision of the evening and the morning, which was told, is true. Wherefore shut up thou the vision, for it shall be for many days. Prophet and Kings, page 535. Every nation has had its period of test. Each has failed, its glory faded, its power departed. So like I said, and the vision kumbe lo mbono wanzambama then nasekuseni le abonakale atshelwa Daniel ukuthi wena watshelwa Daniel ukuthi avale this vision ukuthi itoba for many days. So ukuthi Daniel wabona into lethile waqeda watshelwa ukuthi ayivale for isikhathi lesithile. And then siyathola lana ukuthi uma uqabanga a vision of the morning and then the evening, and then umhlanganisa nesihloko sethu njengoba sifunza ngani ngemibuso lengenako ephumako. Umbuso nakangena la kuyafaniswa nokuthini, ngasho ukuthi kusekuseni, and then nakaphela umbuso kuyafaniswa nokuthini, nokuthi it's the evening. So ke kuthiwa lana tonke tive tabonakala tinikwa litfuba, tabonakala tingena, taba nemandla, kwafika isikhathi lapho khona tiphakeme kumbe at their peak. Tabonakala futhi tabonakala tafa kumbe taphela kumbe tathafa kungena lo mnyembuso njalo. So namhlanje isifundo sethu sihloko esikhuluma ngalokho. Angathi ube khona into lefuna ukuyingena mzalwane. Alright. So tabonakala singena ku Sunday. Sunday sihloko sakhe sithi the ram becomes great. I-ram imvu yesilisa kumbe inqama ngesiZulu. Kuthiwa lana lemvu yesilisa lena iba ikhulu. Yini lemvu yesilisa lena? Lemvu lesilisa lena umbuso lothile kumbe lana kukhulunywa ngetilwane tifaniswa nemibuso lothile. So lana uma sicabanga i-ram kumbe imvu yesilisa liba ikhulu, sho ukuthi umbuso lothile lobonakala abamkhulu. Uma siya lapha ku A kuthiwa lana near the end of Babylon's supremacy, what did Daniel say? Kuthiwa lana nasaphela umbuso weBabel kumbe weBabylon. Ubona yini Daniel? Unkulunkulu mkhombisa yini Daniel? Verse Daniel 8 1 and 2.
So lapha ku Daniel 8 verse 1 and 2 siyathola ke ukuthi lomnyaka wesithathu kwale king lebe ibuso ngaleso sikhathi eBabylon nguBelshazzar. And then uthi ke Daniel ngalomnyaka loyo wabona sibonakaliso savela kuye. And then uthi akuzange kube kulomnyaka loyo kuphela. Uthi sibonakaliso leso beseta kuye even kumnyaka wokuqala waleyo king leyo. Because yasho lapha ukuthi after that which appeared unto me at the first. Sho kumnyaka wesithathu nathi kumnyaka wesingaki wokuqala. And then leyo vision leyo Daniel usinakayibona. Uthi ke utibona atuke palace yase Shushan to province ke yalo mbuso loye le province bebita ukuthi Elam. Uthi uyatibona ngasemfuleni lo mfula ulayi. So ngiloko ke Daniel ke wakhonjiswa bona ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Amen. Siyabonga mzalwane, sitongena ku-B manje. B uthi na chaza le behavior yalesilo sokuqala leyabonakala ingena into the scene and became great. Usilana angithi siyakhumbula ukuthi isuka kuphi yonke lento, isuka eBhabhiloni. Manje usengena lesinye isilo lesifaniswa nani? Lesifaniswa neRem kumbe inqama. Kuthiwa lana chaza ukuthi kahle kahle ingena njani le nqama lena emandleni. Kumbe ubehave kanjani?
Yes. So la kulombuto lesibuya ngapha ku siyambona ke Daniel lapha ulapha kulomfula le wase ulayi. And then usinaka lapha kulomfula le wase ulayi. And then kuvela ke leso silo leso. Ngithatha ukusibetha ukuthi imvu yenvotsa. So that itokhona kuvisiseka. Leyo imvu yenvotsa leyo basine two impondo. Leli one likhulu lelinye and then kubonakala ke lemvu lelikhulu livela after lelinye. Ibehavior yayo ivela lapha ku verse 4. It's lapha ku verse 4. I saw the ram pushing westward and northward and southward. And it's lapha la iqhubeka, so that no beast might stand before him, neither was there any that could deliver out of his hand, but he did according to his will and became great. Oh, siyabona ke le beast lena ukuthi ibeast ukuthi yaphusha, ukuthi yalo each and every side. Iyalo entshonalanga, iyalo enorth, and then iyalo even nase south. Ibonakala yena njani? Iba nemandla ko wonke lama side. And then kuthiwa le beast lena kude lesinye isilo lobe singakhona kuma phambi kwayo. Ukuthi benemandla kakhulu in a way ukuthi iyaconquerish. And then ithi lana and kude move lobe ngakhona ukukhulula anyone lokuthi ubanje ngesandla sayo. The way benemandla ngakhona. So yaba nemandla, yaba great ngendlela lemangalisayo. So ngiko ke so le behavior yayo ukuthi beyibonakala ibeast ukuthi inelishuvu yalo and inemandla yaphumelela ukuthi tonke letinto leyitendayo.
Amen. Siyabonga mzalwane. Lana umubuka lamavili lawa sibonakala siwathola even nalaphana uNkulunkulu akhuluma khona na lapha tuka le story sabo Daniel. I mean lapha kumele Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. Because ithini inkosi laphana? Ithi yona nayibafaka emlilweni labafana the three Hebrew young men. Ithi yona ngifuna kubona ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu ngumuphi uNkulunkulu latomkhipha esandleni sami. Lokho kukhombisa kuthini? Kuthi le nkosi ngaleso sikhathi beyinemandla lamakhulu. And then nalana kuthiwa lo mbuso lo wabonakala ngena la. Beyingekho le kingdom lebe ngabonakala iphuma esandleni sabo. Futhi beba nesandla lesi strong, beba nemandla la strong kondlula wonke ama kingdoms emhlabeni. Futhi kathatha yonke ikingdom lokucabanga na ingena ngalakhulu ngalamakhulu manje. Kubuka kongathi even naNebukadnezar naye angaqabanga ukuthi umbuso wakhe utobonakala aphele ngalendlela beka nemandla ngakhona. Nale kingdom lenayo na ingene kuvakala njalo. Kubuka kongathi nayo inemandla lamakhulu. Naye kubonakala kongathi kanjani angeke incobeke. But ke siyathola la kuthiwa ukuze kube khona le kingdom lengenayo le. Futhi khona le ibonakala incobo. Yeah, yabonakala iyo. Kunjalo ke ngama kingdoms asemhlabeni. Ayikho ikingdom yasemhlabeni ukuthi angeke incobeke. Ayikho ikingdom yasemhlabeni ukuthi uNkulunkulu angeke akhona overtake. And then kuma siya lapha kusini umuntu wayabuta ukuthi wona how did the angel interpret the ram that Daniel had seen? Because nyalo sikhuluma ngeram imvu yesilisa, sikhuluma ngenqama. Kahle le ram lena ikhombisa yini? Sayithola interpretation yakhona lapha ku Daniel 8 verse 19 and 20.
It's lapha ku 19 and 20. And he said, behold, I will make thee know what shall be in the last end of the indignation. For at the time appointed the end shall be. The ram which thou sawest having two horns are the kings of Media and Persia. So la ke sesathola ukuthi le ram play njengoba benathutha impondo ngani lama kings akuphi ase Media nase Persia. Shokuthi ngilombuso lo ukhona after and lo siyathola even history yasikhomba ke ukuthi lo mbuso lo ude after the Babylonian kingdom. So wabe suyangena nema Medo Persia yabe sekangena ke. And then ke siyathola ke ukuthi lo mbuso lo ke waqala ngesikhathi saCyrus lekhathi abulala yona le king le bathi Belshazzar. So wasuyangena ke lo mbuso lo uba nemandla lamakhulu. And remember ukuthi Babylon bekude ngilocabanga ukuthi ngaconquerisho njengoba ibenemandla ngakhona during that time.
Yeah.
So imvulo interesting ukuthi uNkulunkulu ekhathi ukutshela ukuthi unemandla ngekhathi akupompa khona akushaya khona usuke phasi ngamadoda. So lokho kuyakhombisa ke ukuthi amandla kaNkulunkulu ke hlala noma ngamuva athi bona ngathi powerful kangakanani emhlabeni but uNkulunkulu lokho kufananisa nelide.
Yeah, lama lawana awangokuhumilate kanyana ngokuhlazeka kanyana. Uma uya lapha ku lapha kuMarvel's prophet siyatshela ukuthi in the vision of the prophet, God is seen casting down one mighty ruler and setting up another. Abona mabulawa siwabona even ngale kubani ku Daniel 2. Daniel 2 or 3. Lapho Daniel akhuluma nenkosi ukuthi you know what? Ngoba beka umbuso sambusi kumbe ubeka lo myembusi. Was it Daniel or Nebuchadnezzar? Between the two. But yeah, ngisho ukuthi wena blessed be the name of God forever and ever. That's just Daniel. Ngoba nguwelana njani lakhipha umbuso lothile abeke umbuso. Kuyenteka sometimes sinasibuka imibuso yasemhlabeni sicabe ukuthi sipraise abantu labathile ukuthi labantu laba bahlakaniphile banemandla, you know, they can strategize, sibabeke etulo nje. Kepha siyabona la ukuthi kahle ngubani lo in charge, uNkulunkulu lakhipha imibuso abekele eminye imibuso for his own reasons, ngoba siyafunda ukuthi uNkulunkulu unika imibuso isikhathi lesithile lesifanele kusinabo njengoba sifunzile lapha sivela amazi kuthina ukuthi balungise indlela zabo naNkulunkulu. Then uma sibaphelele lesikhathi leso ubonakala basusa kule kingdom ukuhlakanipha kwakhe. And then uma sifunza lapha usiqhubeka nesifundo sethu singena lapha ku Monday uthola a very great goat. Besikhuluma ngani? Besikhuluma ngeram manje kumbe ngemvu yesilisa. Nyalo sesikhuluma ngani? Ngembudi kumbe i-goat. Sphongo. Imbudi yesilisa kahle kahle. Uthola imbudi yesilisa lekhulu. Uthola what new power came to challenge Medo Persia? Lana ke sathola ukuthi njengoba sifunza ngesifundo sethu ukuthi kungena lo myembuso uyawa and then uyaphuma njalo nakaphuma lona kungena lo myembuso. Kuthiwa ngiyiphi ipower ngimuphi lo myembuso lo wabonakala lo mbuso lo new one lo wabonakala angena anqoba iMedo Persia. Iverse ngithola ku Daniel 8 verse 5 and 21.
So part of verse 5 is and I was considering, behold, and he goat came from the west of the face of the whole earth and touched not the ground, and the goat had a notable horn between his eyes. And then now upon verse 21, so it's and the rough goat is the king of Gracia, and the great horn that is between his eyes is the first king. So lana ke say iveta kube sobala kahle kahle ukuthi ngiphi le conquering power. So lo ngilombuso waseGrecia okanye iGreece lo weta after ama-Medo Persians. So siyawathola ke lapho ukuthi bawa representa ngayo ke lembudi lesiphongo ukuthi ke leni liphondo leli1 lelidze between lamehlweni ayo okanye lamkhathini kwalamehlo ayo. So representa yini lokho ke kubonakalisa lamandla ale king lebebusa kulo mbuso lo. So ngiyo ke le power leyo later ke after lo mbuso lo wema Medo and Persians.
Siyabo.
Amen.
Uma sifunza lapha siqhubeka siya lapha ku B. Kuthiwa lana chaza lamandla omnqoba alombuso lo new one lesicatha khuluma ngakho. Kumbula ukuthi sokwatukana. Sokwatuka umbuso weRema. Kuma umbuso wani wenqa. Then singena to umbuso wani lofanisa wesilo kumbe silwane lesifanisa nembudi. Yesipho. He goat. Yabo. Kuthiwa lana uqhaze chaza the conquering power walombuso lo.
Laphana ku Daniel 8 verse 6 and 7 ithi laphana, and he came to the ram that had 2 horns.
Yeah.
So lo mbuso lo sesiyawati ukuthi nguploy khuluma ngale mbudi okanye lesiphongo lesi olesilo sita lapho kuleyo silo leso lesina 2 imponzi, which yes, which I had seen standing before the river, and they ran unto him in fury of his power.
And ran.
And ran unto him in fury of his power. And I saw him come close unto the ram, and he was moved with choler against him, and smote the ram, and brake his 2 horns, and there was no power in the ram to stand before him, but he cast him down to the ground and stamped upon him, and there was none that could deliver the ram out of his hand. Ikuyamangalisa lokuvela lana, because nayi lesilo lesi sesitha la kulesilo lesi besinemandla ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Yeah.
Nasikhathi lapho sasiconquerisha, and very very fast, because ita fast kule ram. Akusive ukuthi yathatha isikhathi, iyathi iyaba very very fast. And then imvula emangalisako ukuthi le ram bekude anyone la ngakhona ukuyikhulula tokola sandla salesilo lesi esiqhamukako. So kubonakala khona ukuthi ination ebenemandla kangaka all of the sudden, and then seyaconquerisha. Lokhu sikhombisa kona ukuthi kusho ukuthi kunemandla akaNkulunkulu behind lokwendekako la lokwendekako lana. So lama kings lawo, the Medes and Persians, abesekaloza aloza power, and then nombuso lonyuwana wabesuyangena. So sicetha kuthola ukuthi ngalaphana previous question ukuthi nombuso lona iGreece. So iGreece ngaleso sikhathi leso yabe seyithatha amandla emhlabeni, kuba ngiyo ination enemandla lerula lomhlaba ngaleso sikhathi leso. uNkulunkulu kusho ukuthi kahle kucala i-morning of what, of iGreece. So and then iyaqala ke ithatha amandla nyalo yarula. uNkulunkulu nayo sikhumbule ukuthi nayo uyiniketa yini, i-probation. Uniketa ke isikhathi sayo sokuthi yini irule ke ibonakalise ukuthi into yena njani, into khona ke igcina imithetho kaNkulunkulu. But ngoba kungenjalo kusho ukuthi njalo ukuthi uqhubeka lenye nation into yena njani, leto busa ithathe ivina lamandla ale kingdom lelengenayo.
Futhi kahle lana nabona uyabona ukuthi uma ngena lomnye umbuso kumbe lomnye umbuso unqoba lomnye umbuso, kulombuso laba unqobako kufanele ukuthi i-judgment from uNkulunkulu ngoba ngenxa ukuthi abakalaleli imithetho kaNkulunkulu kumbe abakabuyeli kuNkulunkulu labadalile. So lana uma sifunza ngithatha nje ipart lencane lapha ethona, to each the word of the divine watcher is, I get thee, though thou hast not known me. And to each the words spoken to Nebuchadnezzar of old are the lesson of life. Break off thy sins by righteousness, and thine iniquities by showing mercy to the poor, if it may be lengthening of thy tranquility. So lana kasiyathola ukuthi thiwa uthi uNkulunkulu yena utshela lemibuso these kingdoms kumbe these rulers uthi ngulungisele for imbi, even if wena bongangadi. Kusikhathi labantu laba bathola ipower kubani, ipower yokunqoba kuNkulunkulu, as even a form of judgment for the other nations. And then uma uqhubeka ithona uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma lapha njengalamaphi lewa ukhuluma kubani kuNebukadnezar ukuthi hlukana netono takho. But ke ku-interesting ngoba thina lesikhathi lesiphila kuso ngibona abantu even bastada ngoba babuka Alexander the Great, bam-admire ukuthi Alexander the Great bekahlakaniphe kakhulu. Bafunza ngalendlela i-education lewayithola ukuthi bafunza njani, wasebenzisa yiphi indlela yokunqoba letibe tonke lewatinqoba kuthiwa Alexander the Great bekanguye umuntu omncane waphumelela ukudlula bonke abantu emhlabeni, ngendlela bamphakamisa ngakhona nje abantu. Ngalendlela ukuthi even naye Alexander the Great uma ufunza umlando wakhe bekacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu nyalo. Lana yakhombisa ukuthi ke bekunesandla lesinemandla kudlula everything lebeyendeka emhlabeni. Kahle kahle akusibo lebe in charge ngibani, uNkulunkulu lobeka in charge. But uNkulunkulu beka expecta ukuthi nakababeka tuke kubusa kumbe tuke amandla ukuthi baphenduke endleleni yabo lemnyama babuyele kubani uNkulunkulu, because uNkulunkulu lamabala wajela uNebukadnezar ukuthi hlukana netono takho, feed the poor. Yabona nathi kwangathi leyo bazalwane kungaba yilesimo lesifunzayo ukuthi as long as isane chance emhlabeni mhlawumbe kusanokwendeka thina singabusi njengalabo ukuthi labo babusa kumbe sibe nepower, but nathi just because siyaphila siyakhona ku-attend esontweni, siyabona nje okanye sikhonile ukuthi sifike lana sirecord isifoni i-chance lesinayo mzalwane ukuthi sibele uNkulunkulu sihlukane netono tethu. Njengoba nalama kings lawo kanjani bekanika udelithuba nabo ukuthi babuyele enkosini. Lapha masifunda lapha ku-C kuthiwa what happened to the Grecian Empire when it became very great at the height of the career of Alexander the Great. Kuthiwa lana wayendeka yini sikhumbula le empire le yabonakala ingena ngamandla nangespeed lesikhulu. And then kuthiwa lana ekuphumeleleni kwayo lokukhulu yabona uma sisifike lapha isetu likhona lapho even lo mbuso wabo kumbe le leader yabo lebe Alexander the Great basi wayendeka yini kasi basemandleni lamakhulu.
Okay, laphana-ke siyathola lapho itholakala kuDaniel 8 verse 8. It's laphana-ke, therefore did he go to waxed very great, and when he was strong, the great horn, which represent the power, njengoba sithi ukuthi Alexander the Great, was broken.
Yeah.
And for it came up 4 notable ones towards the 4 winds of heaven. And then that's what became an part of verse 22. It's now that being broken, whereas 4 stood up for it, 4 kings shall stand up out of the nation, but not in his power. So lapho ke siyathola ukuthi lapha verse 8 yasitshela ke ukuthi le horn lebe nemandla kakhulu yaba broken, yaphuka. Kahle kahle kusitshela ukuthi Alexander the Great wabe suyashona. Ngokushona kwakhe ku-Alexander the Great kwabe sekuvela 4 lamanye timpondo lebe tincanyana kuwe Joseph betinemandla but lamandla akhona bengafani nalabe kanawe yena. And then kwendeka lokho ke and lana ke ngisiyathola ukuthi njengoba le question isho ukuthi ngilikhathi lo mbuso sonjani very great and high. So the career yakhe Alexander the Great seyisetulu kakhulu. And then ngilikhathi ke sekaphela ke umbuso wakhe.
You know, it's very interesting mzalwane because le mibuso lena abameli kumbe mhlawumbe sithi lama leaders ukuthi bacale baguge baphele amandla. Baphuma when they up there. Lekhasi baphakeme. Ukhombisa kona ukuthi hayi kuna something because usually umuntu nakawa simbona ucala wento njani ufuna awe mhlambe nakana uma khamba isikhathi iminyaka uphela amandla njalo njalo. But la umbona Alexander lana uthiwa uwe asethi inqokweni lekhasi asetulu kakhulu the career yakhe. Uma ufunza lapha kumavesi lapha ku-child guidance page 95 and 96 ngithanda nje i-caution lencane laphana lethi Alexander and Caesar found it easier to subdue a world than to subdue themselves. After conquering nation after nation, they fell, one of them the victim of intemperance, the other of mad ambition. Kuthiwa na Alexander anemandla langaka akhona ukunqoba lesive saseMedo-Persia ngespeed lesingaka. Kuthiwa bekanemandla uma ufunza i-career yakhe uma ufunza umlandvo wakhe ubona le ndlela wanqoba ngakhona la bekahamba khona. Utomangala ukuthi watinqoba njani tonke leti veleti. Kuthiwa even akhona kunqoba tonke leti veleti wahluleka ukunqoba yena because wahluleka ukuthi control ngale ndlela kanjani adla phinza natha ngakhona. Because Alexander wabonakala abulawa yini waphuza wanatha kakhulu isiphuzo lesinamandla. Wabonakala natha wa-overdose to alcohol and then wabonakala abulawa ngilowo. Then itholana ubabekisa ngabani ngAlexander na Caesar. Uma sikhumbula naye Caesar mlandvo wakhe ngale ndlela wafa ngakhona kuthiwa lana wabulawa yini wabulawa ukuthi beka too ambitious. Yabona. So kahle kahle lana kushiwa kasho sisafunza ukuthi imvelo ebalekile ukuthi ukhona kwenqoba ngibani yourself. Yabona unganqoba tive ungaphatha emsebentini ungaba CEO ungaqala ibusiness leliphumelelako ungaba mkhulu kakhulu emhlabeni abantu bathandaze lo mhlaba lohamba kuwo. Kepha uma kade incobe uma lizulu likubona njengomuntu ohlulekile. So kwangasinathi bazalwane singathandaza ukuthi sikhona ukunqoba self kumbe sikhona ukuthi inqoba thina sicela nje sokhela ukuthi aside so overcome ama weaknesses wethu. Singafani nalama rulers lawa asemhlabeni liyabonakala hluleka ukuthi inqoba. Angathi umekhona lo mfana okusho njalo.
Yeah, lana njengoba khona la kamavilo qatha kwakhotha ngathi we are privileged as bantwana bakaNkulunkulu because uNkulunkulu usinikete even nokuphila usinikete ne-diet ukuthi umuntu ufuna aphile njani. But lana siyabona ukuthi nafunza ngAlexander kuthiwa wahlulwa i-diet.
Yeah.
I think sometimes indzaba yokudla siyithathela phansi in a way ukuthi sometimes sidla ignorant. Noma ngabe yini ku-easy ukuthi like sidle timvo leti ukuthi atikho right emitimbeni yethu. But lana siyathola ukuthi the same thing le wayifaka kuye emtimbeni wakhe is the same thing liyambulala. Labanye abantu si-ambitious njengoba lo ambitious. Sifuna push ama-career ethu size sifike to a highest level in a way ukuthi sikhohle ukuthi kunaNkulunkulu. Like sifunza wonke lamabhuku emhlaba lakhona. Sikhohle ukuthi kufuna sifunza even namabhuku kaNkulunkulu sive live laNkulunkulu ukuthi lona lithini. So I think lesi kustudy kakhulu lesakaphathe naloko ke sibonisa futhi again ukuthi noma ungaba mkhulu kangakanani emhlabeni so long as ungagcina umthetho kaNkulunkulu you are nothing.
Exactly. Uthi uNkulunkulu yena kusita ngani kuthi uzuza emhlaba wonke uluze umphefumulo wakho. Futhi kahle iprice esibhadalayo sometimes futhi sithole into emhlaba umphefumulo yethu. So kufuna sicaphele leyo bazalwane. Njengoba na sizo wabonakala bhadala ngani umphefumulo wakhe. Uma lapha ku Tuesday exceeding great kumbe phakama lokukhulu mangathi mandla lamakhulu ngayibekisa njalo nje exceeding great. What new power is described as taking over the divided Grecian empire? Because lana kahle lesiphume njengoba sikhulumile ukuthi kulandzelana kwemibuso sicela kufunza ngani yalo ngeGrecia ngithi. Siqale safunza ngani? Siqale safunza Media and Persians. Futhi siqala tuka Babylon, siqala tuka Medo-Persia then salandzela ngeGreece. Lebe iholwa ngi-Alexander the Great. Then manje lo sesifunza ngani? Sesifunza ngalo mbuso lolandzela loyo. Kusikhala bathi nyalo chaza lo mbuso lo wabonakala wanqoba lo mbuso weGreece ngoba weGreece lo bese kahlukene. Verse ngithola lapha kuDaniel 8 verse 9 and then na 23.
Let's lapha ku9. And out of one of them came forth a little horn which waxed exceeding great toward the south and toward the east and toward the pleasant land. And then now upon verse 23 and it's and in the latter time of their kingdom when the transgressor are come to the full, a king of fierce countenance and understanding dark sentences shall come up. Lana guess base kuvela lo mnye umbuso base lo mbuso lo vela njengeliphondo lelincane so siyakhumbula ukuthi lapha bekuna 4 yawo.
Yeah.
So kuvela one of them kuvela lo mbuso lo. Naba describe the way about describe ngakhona la kuyakhomba ukuthi umbuso lo thusayo kakhulu. Base because lana bathini base lo mbuso lona ukhona kuvisisa a dark sentences. Umbuso lo dark kakhulu. Usebumnyameni kakhulu umbuso lo. So futhi nabayichaza lapha base lo mbuso lo now ifunza lapha ubuyela lapha ku verse 9 naso introduce abathi and out of one of them came forth the little horn which waxed exceedingly great. Uthola amandla lamaningi uyachubeka ngaphambili ngokuthola amandla lamaningi and then sebathi uthola amandla towards the south, towards the east and towards the pleasant land. Chosi uthola amandla wonke lama surrounding places alapho lo mbuso wakuphi ngaleso sikhathi leso kumbuso waseGrecia okanye iGreece. So uthola amandla lamaningi kakhulu but into lekhona ukuthi udark in a way ukuthi akalaleli imithetho kaNkulunkulu but at the same time uya prosperity in that sense. Ngaloma amandla akhe lamnyama. So umbuso lo-ke lo dark kakhulu ngendlela emangalisayo. I think uma ungathi uyacompare nje I don't think khona umbuso emhlabeni loko wabakhona lo dark njalo umbuso lo vela lapha njengeliphondo lelincane leli.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kanti ngicela ukubuza mzalwane. I know this question lekufuna ukuthi wena ayikhola. Yabo. Question nje le ngizama ukuthi understand ukuthi ubona njani into le. Usikahle lena kuthiwa lemibuso le inemandla ne. Kuthiwa ayinanguni but yet inemandla langapha. What you say about that? Because sometimes kuyayendeka ukuthi umbhalo uyakhuluma lapha ukuthi ubona I think besikhuluma ngayo nje nayitona. Ukuthi ubona bantu basemhlabeni labangakhonzi ngase bayaphumelela. Because sometimes kuyayendeka ukuthi uthe uyasonda wena but into yakho ibonakala ngathi ahambi kahle. Uthi sibuka labantu mhlambe labangasonda. Into yabo ngathi ihamba kahle. Sometimes ngicabanga kuyayendeka lokho uma sike sa-observe. Nalana lo mbuso lona kuyenteka the same thing. Lo mbuso lona akanaNkulunkulu. Kuthiwa lana lo mbuso lona usesinyameni. One of the darkest empires leke yarule. Yathi lo mbuso lona uyaphumelela.
So lana ke mzalwane ngifuna sikhumbule ukuthi uNkulunkulu njengoba usethile lo mbuso usetha ukuthi uniketa isikhathi.
Yeah.
Isikhathi ke sokuthi le mibuso leke ikhona ukuthi nayo ke i-change. But ngoba ingajinje and then uyajaja and then afakele eminye imibuso. But lo mbuso lo umubona like imibuso leso maybe iphumelela. For instance, uma ngathi ubuka like wonke le mibuso. Leminingi yakhona la lemibuso le yonke be dark in a sense because abazange bafole uNkulunkulu ekugcineni. But siyathola ukuthi baba yena njani babacetha la ukuthi sekunjani sebakhulu khona kakhulu. So lo usho wona ukuthi uNkulunkulu the way angakhona uma like ngoyithatha wena as a Christian uthi eshiya mina ngiyahlupheka but naba labanye abantu labawonayo bayena thing volunteer right. Sini inkinga asathi as Christian ukuthi lo muntu laphana wayena njengoba yena thing volunteer dark so inhliziyo yakhe yahlukubethe at the same time. Yabona but it's instead is ukujudge ngale outward appearance but ufuna sikhumbuleni ukuthi as Christians ingcebo yethu ayikufuneki incike emhlabeni because siyayikhaya ezulwini kufuneka ingcebo efihlale ebukeke ukuthi siyayikhaya ezulwini because ezulwini ihlupheka isekho because ihlupheka is a result of when is a result of the soul.
Yes.
So kufuna sibe very very careful about these things. So ngiya understand vele ukuthi sinema challenges as people njengoba siphila emhlabeni but uNkulunkulu sibuye kuye sometimes nasi bese tibita ngama Christians sinokenda thingvo ngokungakholwa just sayenda as a matter of procedure ukuthi bathe ngende and so. But inhliziyo yakho uthola ukuthi ayikho that akunakholwa ukuthi le mvo lena uma ngaya uNkulunkulu dongiphendula. So most of the times sinokenda thingvo letinjalo and then bese uma letinvo leto tingaphumeleli and then siblame uNkulunkulu. So kunokendeka sometimes thingvo letinjalo.
Yeah, amen. Siyabonga mzalwane. Uma selapha ku B uthi naqhaza le tendo teRome. Lokho asebhiso uyashela usahlahlela sikhuluma ngeRome. Singashaya emaqeleni sikhuluma ngeRome. Kuthiwa lana qhaza le tendo teRome le kuyipagan nePapal. Yabona ukuthi iRome yaqala ngendlela lethile nyalo seyitiko semolestheni. Kuthiwa lana chaza le tendo tale Rome le Daniel babonakala ibona to kwalesibona lesi verse Daniel 8 verse 10 to 12 and then na 24.
Okay, it's lapana go 10 to 12. And it works great even to the host of heaven. I'm sorry. Yes, and and it works great even to the host of heaven, and it cast down some of the host and of the stars of the ground and stamped upon them. Yea, it magnified himself even to the prince of the host, and by him the daily sacrifice was taken away, and the place of his sanctuary was cast down, and an host was given him against the daily sacrifice by reason of transgression, and it cast down the truth to the ground, and it practiced and prospered. And then we are 24 now. It's and his power shall be mighty, but not by his own power, and he shall destroy wonderfully, and shall prosper, and practice, and shall destroy the mighty and the holy people. The mandla lawa njengoba lapha le questions seba clarify ukuthi is the Roman power. Sathola ukuthi ayinathi vole dark kakhulu. Lapho verse 24 just ekucala khona. It's lana it destroy even nebantu bakaNkulunkulu. It destroys straight abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Ngathi to see and basi iya prosperish. Even them practices are everything. Iba great. Inema riches and everything. Kahle kahle. So it become mightier. So get combo was like mandla kaNkulunkulu from get combo ukuthi iba nemandla kakhulu. because ngalaphana nobuyele emva from laphana verse 10 to 12 bathi and it works great even to the host of heaven. So iba nemandla lamakhulu kakhulu ukuthi kude mandla langastanda phakathi kwayo. But lenye into leyibaluleke kakhulu ekufana siyinote la, especially lapha ku verse 11 ithi and by him the daily sacrifice were taken away. Oh le shuthi atheka umthetho kaNkulunkulu. iRome ke uma ungafunza ngayo ke even history yasho ke ukuthi baclaim ukuthi batshintshe isabatha laNkulunkulu from Saturday and then balisa to Sunday. So uyabona ukuthi like iatheka umthetho kaNkulunkulu, and then yalo uma like ngosearch like the iRome ucheke le sorry uma search ucheke like le mthetho the 10 commandment kaNkulunkulu, uthola ukuthi lo mthetho lokhuluma ngama-graven images bawususile.
Kunjalo.
And then bathatha lo mthetho was 10 bawudivide into 2.
Yes.
Uyabona ukuthi like labo abateka straight le timvo letihold kaNkulunkulu, and then abagcina lapho bayena njani ba-attack nabantu bakaNkulunkulu ngesikhathi ama-dark ages. Kuthiwa lo mbuso lona wapersecute thousands and thousands bantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Anyone lokuthi like kunelive la kaNkulunkulu bangakuthola and then persecute. So most of bantwana bakaNkulunkulu ba-undergo through i-martyrdom ngenxa yombuso lo. So uyakhomba ukuthi umbuso lo ukuthi umnyama kakhulu lo mbuso lo. So ngoba ukuthi umntwana kaNkulunkulu ngalesi sikhathi bekunzima kakhulu.
Yeah.
So funny enough ke even a prophecy yasho ke ukuthi lo mbuso lona ngombuso ke lo toba khona as obuso olena njani o destroy uNkulunkulu himself. So ngiyo ke le imvo levelako lapho ke kule simuvo lesisitholako lapho le question.
Yes, mzana. Ngathi nangathi ngiyacabangisisa. Well, ngiyibona vele njalo. Kuthi iRoman ize ibona ngathi ibonakaliswe njengembuso lomubi kakhulu kudla yonke. Kunganxa ukuthi yona ifuna ukuthi ibeka kubulungu kahle kahle. Ifuna kuba uNkulunkulu. Because bona ikhipha yini itshintsha umthetho kaNkulunkulu. And uma ufunza ngalele eminye imibuso, angicabanga ukuthi khona umbuso leke atheka timbo taNkulunkulu njengeRome. Because abona lapha ikhipha imithetho ukuthi ungakhonzi iform letibadiwe. Yadivide lo mthetho wes-10. Uma umuntu uyabuka lo mthetho le 10 commandments, ma-moral laws ne. Futhi unga-reduce ama-morals abantu uyenta yini nje. Wena abantu bakhohlakala kakhulu. So uma kuthi mhlawumbe itinto tingayenteka ngenzango yeRome, ngandlela ukuthi asithi bantwana bakaNkulunkulu basuke emhlabeni then ukhipha nani nelive lenkosi. Live uma ngihamba ngemiyalo yeRome ngakhohlakala kakhulu. Ngingabada kakhulu yakhumbula ngalesikhathi lesi kwabonakala kusho khona even iBhayibheli. Yakhumbula ukuthi kuthiwa live labonakala liba dark njalo. Because abantu babonakala bakhohlakala too much. So abantu bayidzinga i-moral guidance.
Kakhulu.
Le kingdom lena iyathaka yini umthetho kaNkulunkulu. That's why ibonakaliswa njengembuso lo very very dark. Kumbe lo mnyama kakhulu. Uma selapha ku6 kuthiwa lana ngaphandle kwetindlela tabo tokudukisa. Because shows bane tindlela letitsite leti labadukisa ngato bantu. Bathi ngaphandle kwalendlela leto, how will this power be brought to an end? Itopheliswa kanjani umbuso lo?
No.
Kumbe yeah. Shows usebenzisa indlela letitsite tokudukisa. So ngizama ngifuna ukuqonisa kahle ukuthi usebenzisa indlela letitsite tokudukisa. Then kuthiwa lapho ophelelisa kanjani?
Lapana ku Daniel 8 verse 25 bayabala ke ukuthi and through his policy also he shall cause craft to prosper in his hand, and he shall magnify himself in his heart, and by peace shall destroy men. He shall also stand up against the prince of princes, but he shall be broken without hand.
Without hand.
So siyathola ke ukuthi lo mbuso lo kahle kahle ophelelisa this prince of princes. The prince of princes lana ke barefera to Jesus Christ. So only Jesus Christ kuphela lo khona destroy lo mbuso lo ukuthi angasaphinzi abe khona.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nabathi without hands mzalwane. Ucabanga yini?
Etandla I thinking la ukuthi kumandla ahlala khona to umuntu.
Yeah.
So without sandla usanamandla, because uma imagine just without hand and then umuntu kanjani kude vele awusanamandla at all.
Okay.
So go destroy ukuthi vele ungasabi nemandla at all. Ngisabonakala enimandla kuwo.
Yeah. I think ukuthi so. Uyakhumbula sikhuluma ngalesibonelo salapha ku the one esifundze Daniel 2 if I'm not mistaken. La sikhuluma ngani ngemuntu. Yabona? Usikhumbula lelitshela labele ngibani?
BelonguJesu Kristu.
And then isuka kuphi? Ayinadandla la isuka khona, right? So mina kufike lokho emengqondweni yami ukuthi nabathi without hands mhlambe ingabonakalisa nangaleyo ndlela. Ukuthi yeah lo mbuso lona utobonakala anqoba ngeJesu Kristu himself. Shows lo mbuso lona unemandla ngandlela ukuthi ukhona nje nawusabukana ucabanga umbuso lo nganqoba lo mbuso lo ebantwini kulesikhathi esiphila kuso ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu. Futhi ufuna kuze kungenelele uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe.
Injalo vele.
Yeah. Sitongena lapha ku Wednesday.
Yes.
Wednesday ukhuluma ngesiprofeto le funa sisivisise sonke. Kuthiwa lana the 2300 days. Emalanga la 2300. Especially thine njengabalinzi baNkulunkulu. Kufuna sisahle isiprofeto leso. Asithola ukuthi kuthiwani la. Kuthiwa lana what conversation did Daniel overhear concerning the expanse of time covered by the events of the vision and what will take place at the end of the time period. So lana ngiphi inqophiswano Daniel obonakala ayiva lana mayelana nesikhathi lesitobonakala sidlula kule tendakalo talesibona lesi. Kuthiwa lana sikhuluma sisho nokuthi kutoyenteka yini ekupheleni kwalesikhathi leso. Ekupheleni kwalesikhathi ekupheleni kwalamalanga la 2300. Laphana ku Daniel 8 verse 13 and 14 sayithola i-answer yale.
It's laphana, then I heard one saint speaking, and another saint said unto that certain saint which speak, how long shall the vision concerning the daily sacrifice and transgression of desolation to give both the sanctuary and the host to be trodden underfoot? And he said unto me, unto 2,300 days, then shall the sanctuary be cleansed. So siyathola ukuthi ekupheleni kwalesi prophet so 2,300 days.
Yeah.
And then cala isikhathi sokwenda njani sokucleana kwe-sanctuary. Ku-indicate ukuthi kahle kahle isikhathi soyenjani isikhathi sokugcina.
Yeah.
So iveta lokho ukuthi what will take place at the end of the time of this time period. uNkulunkulu siyathi ukuthi Jesu Kristu usezulwini yalo ungene tuwe most holy place ekupheleni kwalesi propheto lesi se-2,300 days.
Yeah.
Wena njani uyasi-intercedela okanye uyasincengela kwaba khona sezulwini thina funa silese tono kuwe. So la khona ukuthi senjani so la khona ukuthi sibe clean. So uma ufunza kulesikhathi se-Israel time ngilati one day of the year, because one day of the year beka okanye ngeminyaka le-1 bekufuna bayile day of atonement.
Yeah.
Nampriest kufuna ayende njani ahlanze leli temple kaNkulunkulu. So nyalo Jesus Christ naye ke ufanisa njenge high priest in the heavenly sanctuary. Wena njani uyasincengela kwakho sezulwini sine kufuna silese tono tethu ngithi ngabe nemvu lesivimbayo kuphi etinhlitweni tethu.
Yeah.
Yes.
My question is very interesting. Lapha big. It's your now. I believe some of the things we touch here. It's what antitypical event was foreshadowed by the cleansing of the sanctuary, as illustrated in the ceremonial law and foretold in Daniel's vision. Kuthiwa lana ngisiphi sendakalo le yakhumbula antitypical event, antitypical sokuthi bekulesikhathi la bekenya khona imihlatshelo nani. Kuthiwa lana ngisiphi sendakalo lebe sikhonjiswa lokuhlotshiswa kwendlu lengqwele besanctuary. Kuthiwa lana njengoba ikhonjiswa tuke ceremonial laws.
Yes.
Angathi singathini ngezulu but ma ceremonial laws kambe
mithetho yemihlatshelo.
Yeah, mithetho yemihlatshelo. And le yabonakala itshelwa the one that was foretold ukuthi itshelwe lento sengayendi. Ngituke vision ya Daniel.
So lapho ke siyathola ukuthi i-Day of Atonement, because nasifunda lapha kule Leviticus 16 verse 33 iyasitshela ke ukuthi ama-Israelites bekahlangana ke ngalo mnyaka loyo, maybe asengifunza ithi lapha ku 33 because into avoid leya lapha ku 23 verse 27 to 32, but just I think lo Leviticus 16 33 and 34 uyichaza kahle uthi, and he shall make an atonement for the holy sanctuary, and he shall make an atonement for the tabernacle of the congregation and for the altar, and he shall make an atonement for the priest and for all the people of the congregation. And this shall be an everlasting statute unto you, to make an atonement to the children of Israel for all their sins once a year. So lana ke sesiyathola ke ukuthi lokukhulunywa ngako le anti-typical system lokukhulunywa ngalo 2300 days lokuthi into bakhona nasakuyele njani nakuphelele 2300 days iyaqala, and then ngalapha isikhathi sasendulo sesikhathi sangalaphana all times i-representa lesikhathi leso ukuthi bantwana baka-Israel bebaguca babane ne-Day of Atonement labalisa khona tono, and then imprisa njani ahlanze tonke izinto, so i-representa leso sikhathi leso. So nathi namuhla njengoba siphila namuhla siphila kuleso sikhathi leso of atonement. Yes.
Futhi nasena sono sena njani namuhla?
Namuhla nasena sono ufuna sente show ukuthi sesibika kuJesu Kristu as fast as possible. Because aside ukuthi Jesus Christ utosingetha isikhathi esinganani.
Yeah.
So kufuna namuhla immediately uqedza ngenda sono ufuna ke usene njani ulethe Jesus Christ, akufune kube nesono losibambako. Even abantwana baka-Israel ngathi isikhathi leso bekufuna abantu eshow ukuthi tonke into notawo bathina njani bathi transfer atihamba tiyalapha, because vele bekendiwa that day with tonke tono ination ihlanzile. Nathi namuhla siphela kuleso sikhathi leso ukuthi Jesus Christ was intercedela siletha tono takhe, and then it become our merit, and then siyacholela ke tono tethu. So it's very very important lesikhathi esiphila kuso.
Yes.
Yes.
Uma understand le ndlela sono sho sikhathi hlanyelo sesiphila kwesikhathi lapho sifree khona uma ucabangisisa ngale ndlela, because sono siyenda inhliziyo yomuntu kube sikwendana sono siyak-abuse uma sikhipha enhlizweni yakho. The fact usinyelo sijebe ukuthi the fact ukuthi siyafunza manje ukuthi siphela kwesikhathi lapho tono tethu funa sihlale sidibi kanjalo lokwenza lengcwele ngaso sonke isikhathi. Khombisa kona ukuthi uNkulunkulu usinike isikhathi se-freedom kahle kahle. Isikhathi se-freedom from what? From sin. Isikhathi sokuphumula njengoba sifuna ukuphumula sikuthola kubani? kuJesu Kristu kuphela. Even isabatha esikhombisa ukuthi lokuphumula lo isabatha is the representation of the rest lesithola kuJesu Kristu. Uma silapha sithola kuthini lana kuthiwa, what did the angel say concerning the 2300 prophets? Kuthiwa lana angel yathini mayelana nalesi prophetho say 2300.
It's like
Daniel 8 verse 26.
it's like in the vision of the morning. Sorry, and the vision of the evening and the morning which was told is true. Wherefore thou shut up the vision, for it shall be for many days. So lana ke sesiyathola ke ukuthi like lesibonakaliso lesi sase enzambama nasekuseni sicinisekile siliqiniso, and then bathi lana ithi yona, wherefore shut up the vision, for it shall be for many days. So this vision lena at the same time ibhalele even nalabantu labatophila ngalezo sokugcina ukuthi understand. But remember ukuthi these prophecies of Daniel's, they were very very difficult for abantu ukuthi understand.
Yeah.
But kwangazi naso kuya ngalikhathi into okugcina these things so easy ukuthi abantu batifisise.
Yeah.
Yabona, chose is for many days for those people who are living in those time. It's very very important ukuthi lesiphila ukuthi sikutogcina ukuthi sivisise these things, because it apply directly to sin. That's why one of the things that ukuthi bekufuna utiyende in that Day of Atonement kuthi uhlolisise uinvestigate enhlitweni ukuthi nje ngabe kunasona lesibhacile. So nathi namuhla kufuna ke sele the same thing.
Yeah.
So i-expandele ukuthi yes le vision le yendele uthini abantu bokugcina.
Yes. uNkulunkulu unemusa kakhulu mzalwane. Usikhomba lana ukuthi into letoyendeka even before tiyendeka, so that natendeka sikhona ukuba prepared. And also uma sibuka angicabanga ukuthi Daniel angazivisisa lesi prophetho lesi kundlela abantu bangalesikhathi lesiphila kuso nyalo. Why? Kunganceka ukuthi thina sinawo ubufakazi emhlabeni lento letendekayo. Siyasibona siyagcwaliseleka lesi prophetho. Daniel akabi nale privilege ukuthi aphile aze afike lesikhathi lapho abona khona le prophetho igcwaliseleka. Even ngalesikhathi njengalesikhathi lesiphila kuso nyalo. So naloko nje mzalwane sibonakala simuvusela lapha ku Thursday. Thursday uthi a vision partly understood. Kusho kahle Daniel beyangayivisisi kahle le vision bekayibona. Base bekayivisisa nyana bekabona yena kancane but hayi ngaleyo ndlela. Yabona? Selana lapha ku A, what was the angel Gabriel commissioned to do for Daniel? Daniel siyathola ukuthi beyangavisisi lana le mibono la ibonile kumbe lama visions. Then kuthiwa siyabuta ukuthi angel Gabriel wathunywa ukuthi ayende yini for Daniel. Daniel 8 verse 15 to 18.
It's the part of 15 to 18. And it came to pass when I, even I, Daniel, had seen a vision and sought for the meaning. Then, behold, there stood before me as the appearance of a man. And I heard a man's voice between the banks of Ulai, which called and said, Gabriel, make this man to understand the vision. So he came near where I stood, and when he came, I was afraid and fell upon my face. But he said unto me, understand, O Son of Man, for at the time of the end shall be the vision. And then upon verse 18, it says, now as he was speaking with me, I was in a deep sleep on my face toward the ground. But he touched me and set me upright. In what was the angel Gabriel commissioned to do for Daniel? The angel chose beginning umsebenzi ukuthi yona njani yotshela Daniel lamaphupho la ngakhona kwavisisi. So lana ke siyathola ke ukuthi le angel le nayita ke ku Daniel so yena njani soguca phasi and then yambamba ukuthi hayi man upright Daniel. I think the angel le understand ukuthi as an angel he's nayo is a creature, so akufuneka receive a worship. So but siyathola ke ukuthi Daniel njengoba like also explained before, like so some of the things bangakhona ukuthi visisa la so sibekudinga some higher intelligence from uNkulunkulu because atakhona ukuthi ke amvulele ukuthi akhona ke ukuthi naye akhona ukuthi understand.
Amen.
Yes.
I think I'm watching. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, lana kuthiwa ile angel lena beku Gabriel kuthiwa lana the next and the angel next in rank to the Son of God. Just kahle Daniel beka honored by heaven. He was respected by heaven. Kuze kusuke ingilozi leseceleni kuze kusuke ingilozi leseceleni nangu na Jesu Kristu ngakukhulu lese ngendasi kuJesu Kristu ngesikhulu. Shothi angel Gabriel njengoba sifunze la sokuthi nguyela lasetulu tuwete ingilozi noma tasezulini. Kusana Gabriel wabonakala eta ku Daniel wamchazela le phupho lakhe lana. Then futhi le angel lena ngiyo lefanako ngiyo the same angel leyabonakala ichazela John le phupho lakhe. I mean leyabonakala ikhombisa John ma visions kuze kuthiwa yini ekupheleni komhlaba. Uma siqhubeka lapha na ku B kuthiwa lana despite a thorough explanation being given for many other details, what was Daniel's reaction after hearing about the time prophecy of the 2200 days? Kuthiwa lana ngaphandle kokuthi athole incazelo letinye lehlukahlukene yabona letine ma details lathite letine kujula lokuthite kumbe mhlambe sho singathatha Daniel bekafamile naletinto leti yabona mara kuthiwa wabonakala ayenda njani uma ever this prophet olesichazo Sithola Daniel 8 verse 27.
Laphana kuDaniel 8 verse 27 ithi, and I Daniel fainted and was sick certain days. Afterward I rose up and did the king's business, and I was astonished at the vision, but none understood it. Daniel uthi lana fainted and also wagula for tinsukunyana letimbalwa, malanganyana nje wagula. Lemva la ibonile Daniel choose angathi choose bangakhona ukuyithwala. Daniel ayibona lento. Usuke ngale, and then after sekagulile and then rise up and then wawusebenta lo msebenzi we king's business njengoba ke siyathi kusibeka phese tikhundla letikhulu leli. Ithi yona, he was very very astonished at the vision, and imvo lekhona le bayimentionayo ukuthi kude lo bayakhona uku-understand that vision. So hence le ithi iyawuba ne-14 suku tokugcina. So namuhla the 2300 days prophecy is very very understood in the world. Most people, they do understand these things. All the prophecies of Daniel, even the parallel line nalaqala khona nalasiphetha khona bese yathi ukuthi siphela 1844, but each and every most abantu namhlanje siya understand this prophet lokukhombisa ukuthi uNkulunkulu unansi ufuna si understand izinto takhe so that sitokhona ukuthi sibuye kuye. Nansi sifunza something lana ukuthi njengoba siphila ke tukwesikhathi ke se-atonement kukithi bazalwane kakhulu ukuthi sithathe le tinto leti sikufake enhlitiyweni tethu and then siye kuNkulunkulu sicolise tono tethu and then asamukele embusweni wakhe, because ivule kufuna siyathi bazalwane ukuthi Jesu Kristu kubuya kwakhe kwekuthini masishane uyabuya, and the rewards wabambile kutobapha abantu according to imisebenzi yabo. Ngiyathandaza ukuthi imisebenzi yefile mihle. Ngiyabonga.
Amen. Siyabonga mzalwane. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nangicabanga Daniel ngabe bekaphila kwesikhathi sethu. I wonder ukuthi bekade appreciate kanjani le lesson le prophecy 2300 days. Thina the prophet uNkulunkulu sinikiwe ucabanga nje sine internet. Sina wonke ama resources lo ngaqabanga ngoba tinvo letingasita ukuthi sivisise imibhalo yaNkulunkulu. But asitsebenzisi ngenxa yokuthi sithi appreciate into engozi. Daniel uthola na wathi nakabona lesibongo lesi wabonakala aba-astonished. And noma sikhumbula Daniel i-profession yakhe bekuthiwa lana timvo letinye lebekaphiwe tona uNkulunkulu bekuthi akukhone ukutolika yini maphupho, ngoba siyakhumbula ukuthi iphupho la Nebukadnezar wabonakala alitolika. But nasekade waletibona lama-visions lawo le 2300 days akazange akhona ukuyivisisa. Lokho kuyakhombisa ukuthi bekungasisikhathi ngalesikhathi lebekaphila sokuthi dingavisiswa kahle letimvo leti kufanyaniswa nalesikhathi lesiphila kuso nyalo. So thina sinenhlanhla sekubona ukuthi i-prophet utagcwaliseka kwangasiloko ungabonakala ukuba ne-impact etinhlitiyweni tethu nasempilweni tethu. I mean yena ungangena tikwetindzawo ubona nje daily ti-prophet utagcwaliseka. Kwangasibazalwane lokho ungabonakala kuthatha something tinhlitiyweni tethu sibonakala siphenduka ngoba imbuzo iBhayibheli yasho ukuthi phendukani ngokuba umbuso welizulu njani sofikile. Sifungo sethu namuhla sitophelela lana. Kwangathi inkosi ngabanani nonke. Amen.
Amen.
Bheka phana nasivala isifungo sethu sitobonakala sigoba amakhanda uma sikhuleka. Singavala amehlo. Baba wethu wasezulwini, sitha ngaphambi kwesihlalo sakho sebukhosi Nkosi, siyabonga ukuthi ube nathi. Safunza isifungo lesi sikhombisa lesi sibonakala sesikhombisa kuhamba kwemibuso nemibuso, kuvuka nekuwa kwemibuso. Kwangathi ungaba nathi Nkosi. Usinasibona leti prophet leti tigcwalisekile. Sibona Nkosi ukuthi siphila esikhathini sokugcina. Nyalo siyathi ukuthi Jesu Kristu senza into enqwele. Ubonakala axicolisela doneteli. Kwangathi singathatha tonke doneteli Nkosi sibhileke kuwe inkothana kumbe sitimikise enzaweni lenqwele. Sibonakala siphenduka Nkosi. Kwangathi singathi nasifunza leti fungo tesiprofeto kungabonakala boneka something etinhlitiyweni tethu Nkosi. Sicela moya wakho lenqwele Jehova namandla sithandazela i-understanding no-wisdom ukuthi sivisise live lakho, sivisise ti-prophet takho, and futhi sithandazela nenhlitiyo lephendukako Nkosi. Sicela ukuthi ukhiphe tinhlitiyo tethu telitshe ufake inhlito yenyama Nkosi. Sicela ukuthi usiwashe tono tethu njengoba unamandla. Njengoba mbhali washo ukuthi ucela ukuthi uNkulunkulu amnike inhlito lenyuwana. Nathi siyayicela Nkosi inhlito lenyuwana. Konke lokhu sicela egameni likaJesu Kristu sikhuleka. Amen.
Amen.